Deep cleaning on Huawei NBL-WAP9R laptop. Thank you to Ma'am Christy Ria for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning the Huawei NBL-WAP9R laptop is a wise and proactive decision by the customer. Over time, dust and debris naturally accumulate inside the laptop, especially around the cooling fans and vents, leading to restricted airflow and rising internal temperatures. If left unaddressed, this buildup can cause overheating, slow performance, loud fan noise, and even long-term damage to vital components such as the CPU and motherboard. That's why deep cleaning is so important. It helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency, improves system stability, and ensures that the laptop operates at its best. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.